If you want to learn how to segment your list based on engagement in under 3 minutes, you're in the right place. This one simple shift can completely change your email performance, from open rates to conversions. And in this video, I'll show you how to do it using a method I tested across all the most popular platforms. Stick around till the end, because I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software I personally recommend, only for viewers of this channel. Let's dive in. First, why segment by engagement? Because not everyone on your list interacts with your content the same way. Some are hyper-engaged, some are lukewarm, and others haven't opened a single email in months. If you're sending the same message to everyone, you're wasting your reach and probably triggering spam filters. The fix? Create segments based on how people actually behave. Open the software we're using. Again, the link for the exclusive free trial is in the description. Head to your contact or audience section. You want to create at least 3 basic engagement segments: actives, semi-engaged, and inactive. For actives, filter by anyone who's opened or clicked an email in the last 30 days. These are your warmest leads. Send them your promotions, announcements, or limited time offers first. Next, the semi-engaged, people who've opened or clicked in the last 31 to 90 days. These might just need a nudge. Try sending them re-engagement sequences or light value content that builds trust. And finally, inactives. These are contacts who haven't engaged in 90 days or more. Some of these may be dead weight, so you'll want to either clean them or try a win-back email. If they don't respond, it's okay to let them go. It helps your deliverability. Bonus tip. Inside the software we're using, you can also tag based on behavior, like clicks on specific links or pages they visit, which makes your future campaigns even more targeted. Once those segments are created, you can now customize your messaging to fit their behavior. More engaged users get time-sensitive content. Less engaged users get nurtured or cleaned. It's that simple, but incredibly effective. The key takeaway here: segmenting your list based on engagement ensures you're sending the right message to the right people at the right time. It increases open rates, reduces unsubscribes, and protects your sender reputation. Quick recap: create 3 segments: actives, last 30 days, semi-engaged, 31-90 days, and inactives, 90+ days. Customize your emails accordingly. Use behavioral tags if the software supports it. And remember, regularly clean your inactive list. Don't forget, I've linked an exclusive free trial to the software I recommend down below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it'll let you follow along with everything I showed here today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next quick tutorial.